Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you pick the right path. Once confirmed, back up any quick settings layout if you care. Now go straight to Settings, then Apps or Notifications. Do not detour. You need to find the App Vault entry or similar app manager. Tap it to open App Details. This step puts you where Controls live, so you can disable notifications properly rather than guessing or uninstalling unrelated components. You'll now disable notifications precisely. Open Notifications inside the App Vault app page, then toggle off all notifications or use Customize to target banners, lock screen, and badge icons. Make sure to check advanced options like categories or channels and turn off any specific channel that sends alerts. Once done, inspect battery or auto start permissions. These can relaunch the app and restore alerts. By handling both notification channels and background permissions, you stop alerts at the source and avoid recurring interruptions. Finish by clearing the app cache and, if needed, app data to remove lingering settings that might re-enable notifications. This resets stored preferences. Then restart your device and verify that App Vault is silent. If notifications persist, boot into safe mode to check for third-party apps or OEM tweaks interfering. This isolates the culprit. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall or restrict the offending app. Remember, a restart and cache clear often resolve stubborn cases without deeper system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.